Hi everyone, this screencast is to help you understand how to create an activity in PDExpress. So first you want to go to the website, which you can get to from the application launcher or from the staff page on one of the web pages for our school. You're going to put in your username and your password, click login. And then this is the page that should open up for you. It will typically, if you have activities, post those first, and then you have a separate tab open with current plans that are available. So if you're ready to request a new activity, you click the button that says Request Activities. It's going to ask you a school year. You're going to enter in the school year when the activity took place. You're going to select what kind of activity you engaged in. And then you're going to enter in a brief description. So perhaps this was a workshop that you went to on STEM. So you could just put in a quick description and then click Next. And then you can see the data you entered in from the previous screen is now here. And you can change the title or add to the title if you would like. It asks for an activity ID. This is not really important, except it likes for each activity that you create to be unique. If you plan to have more than one activity in a year, you might call this 2017A or 2017 SW for STEM workshop, something short. And then there's a description of the workshop. So you're going to type in that perhaps what are the main things that you think you're going to learn. So maybe the workshop is designed to give you new strategies. And then you would add more detail there. And then the activity is scheduled, so you can put a date or a time there. You're going to put in whether you're counting this as CEU time, whether it's semester hours, and then what kind of verification that you're going to have. So in this case, it was perhaps a 5-hour workshop, in which case it would be worth 0.5 CEUs. It takes 10 CEUs, or 10 seat hours in order to equal 1 CEU. And then maybe there'll be a certificate of attendance that will be given, and that's what I will give for my evidence. If you're creating this after you've already completed your workshop, under comments you can put a reflection. So it would be 1 to 2 sentences of what you're able to do differently now as a result of having that professional learning, or maybe what you're changing or trying out in your practice. Additionally, it's very helpful if you can attach a copy of your certificate of attendance in this case, or transcript, whatever it is that you have as evidence. If you go to one of the building copiers and make a scan of the paper verification you have, you can attach that, or you can attach any PDFs that maybe you get that show your attendance proof. And then you click Submit for review. Now, most courses that are pretty traditional, like online credit you might take through a university, or a workshop that seems to fit in well with your department or role, that's not a problem. You usually don't need pre-approval for that. If you're going to do something that's a little atypical, a little outside of typical teacher learning, like maybe travel or book study, or maybe you're doing your own writing, you may want to talk to your LPDC representative to get pre-approval for that before you start that work, to make sure that you're in agreement as to how many CEUs that work will be worth. And then once you've submitted that activity, you've got your activity now should be in your list for you to have as something that's evidence of your work that you've done for this particular license cycle. Thank you.